Hello, and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, and today we're going to dive deep into a captivating legal case that has captured the nation's attention, which is the story of Lori Vallow Daybell. Lori Vallow Daybell is the name that has become synonymous with a high-profile missing children's case that sent shockwaves across the country. Born Lori Noreen Cox in 1973 in San Bernardino, California, her life took a sinister turn when she married Chad Daybell, an author with apocalyptic beliefs. The case's origins trace back to the tragic death of her ex-husband, Charles Vallow, who was shot by her own brother, Alex Cox. The circumstances surrounding this event raised eyebrows and questions about self-defense. Chad Daybell, an obscure author with religious-themed books, suddenly found himself thrust into the national spotlight. Suspicion grew when his previous wife, Tammy Daybell, died under mysterious circumstances just weeks before his marriage to Lori. Both Lori and Chad's involvement in a group called Preparing a People added an eerie layer to the case as their beliefs began to come under scrutiny. But how did Lori and Chad cross paths? Their shared religious beliefs played a significant role in their meeting. However, their relationship progressed rapidly, culminating in a marriage that raised eyebrows due to its timing and the deaths of their previous spouses. This quick progression is a key element to consider under the Texas law when examining motive and opportunity. Fast forward to the trial, where Lori and Chad faced a litany of charges, including the murder of Lori's children, Tylee and JJ. The trial featured some incredibly compelling points that we need to dissect further in the context of Texas state law. These points include 1. Lori's extreme religious beliefs, including the concept of people being possessed. 2. The heart-wrenching phone calls from Lori's son, Colby Ryan, which have implications on familial relationships within Texas law. 3. The testimonies from Lori's sister, Summer Shiflett, and a friend, Audrey Barterio, providing insights into potential motives and character assessments. 4. Was the forensic evidence, including toxicology results and how it impacts the determination of the cause of death and legal responsibility. And finally, point number 5 was the DNA evidence linking Lori and Tylee to the crime scene, which is essential in establishing their presence at the scene under Texas law. The story doesn't end there. Lori Vallow Daybell also faces additional charges in Arizona related to the murders and attempted murders. Finally, the culmination of this tragic saga was the sentencing. Lori Vallow Daybell received a life sentence without the possibility of parole for her heinous crimes. The sentencing was marked by emotional statements and a resounding judgment from the court, which aligns with Texas law regarding sentencing guidelines for similar offenses. Thank you for joining us today on this in-depth exploration of the Lori Vallow Daybell case, examining its implications under Texas state law. If you or someone you know is facing a criminal charge in Texas, please remember that the Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to help. We're experienced in building the best defense cases tailored to your needs while navigating the intricate web of Texas state law. Don't hesitate to call us at 281-810-9760 for a free consultation. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and support you need during these challenging times. Until next time, stay safe and take care.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.